Put hydrogen peroxide on your feet. The results will shock you. Most of us go about our day completely ignoring our feet until they start to itch, crack, stink, or make us feel like we need to hide them in public. Let's just be real for a second. Feet are kind of high maintenance. They take a daily beating, get crammed into tight shoes, sweat like crazy, and then we expect them to look beach ready at all times. It's no wonder they start acting up. But what if I told you that this humble solution could completely transform them? I know, it sounds a little dramatic, right? But hear me out. Here's what happens when you start using hydrogen peroxide regularly on your feet. Number 1, it kills bacteria and fights odor. Hydrogen peroxide breaks down into water and oxygen. That extra oxygen is what creates those fizzing bubbles, and it's what makes it lethal to bacteria. Yes, it goes to work killing the bacteria responsible for that funky foot odor. The result? Fresh-smelling feet, even after a long day in sneakers. Just mix 1 part 3% hydrogen peroxide with 3 parts of warm water in a basin. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Do this a few times a week to keep odor-causing bacteria in check. Number 2, it helps eliminate athlete's foot. Foot fungus doesn't stand a chance against hydrogen peroxide. Its antifungal properties help destroy the cell walls of the fungus, breaking down the infection over time. So, if you've been scratching at your toes or dealing with peeling, itchy skin, hydrogen peroxide foot soaks can offer relief without the mess of creams and powders. After soaking, dry your feet thoroughly and apply a little tea tree oil for an extra boost. It's another natural antifungal. Number 3, it also attacks toenail fungus slowly but surely. Now, toenail fungus is notoriously stubborn, but hydrogen peroxide can help here, too. It's shown to gradually lighten discoloration, reduce thickness, and help prevent the fungus from spreading. You can either soak your feet in a diluted solution, or, for more targeted treatment, use a cotton swab or cotton pad soaked in hydrogen peroxide and apply it directly to the affected nail. Continue this routine until you notice improvement. It won't work overnight, but consistency is key. Number 4, it softens cracked heels and removes dead skin. Those hard, crusty heels that catch on your bed sheets. Hydrogen peroxide softens them up beautifully. The bubbling action helps loosen and break down layers of dead skin, making it easier to exfoliate afterward with a pumice stone. It's like a mini spa treatment, without the spa price tag. Once you're done soaking and scrubbing, apply a thick moisturizer or some petroleum jelly and wear socks to lock in hydration overnight. You'll wake up to much softer feet. A word of caution and common sense. Before you run to the bathroom and start pouring peroxide on your feet, let's go over a few quick precautions. Stick to 3% peroxide. Higher concentrations can burn your skin or cause irritation. Don't overuse it. 2-3 times per week is plenty. Overdoing it can dry out your skin or cause sensitivity. Always moisturize afterward. Hydrogen peroxide can strip away natural oils, so follow up with a good moisturizer. If you have cuts, open wounds, or diabetes, talk to your doctor first. You want to make sure this doesn't interfere with healing or circulation. That said, for the average person, hydrogen peroxide is a safe, easy to use, and surprisingly effective option for foot care. If you found this helpful, give it a like, leave a comment, and share it with someone who's been hiding their feet in shame. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical health tips. Catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.